Having a problem with Windows 11 virus and threat protection? Fear not, we've got the fix. In this video, we provide effective troubleshooting steps. Press Windows +X to launch the Quick Access menu. Select Windows Terminal, Admin from the list of options that appear. Type or paste the following command and hit Enter to run the SFC Scan, SFC/Scano. Wait for the scan to complete, reboot the computer, and check if the error is fixed. Press Windows +I to launch Settings. Select the Apps tab from the left. Select Apps and Features. Click on the ellipsis next to the antivirus you want to remove and select Uninstall from the flyout menu. Click Uninstall on the prompt. Press Windows key +S and type Powershell. Select Run as Administrator. When the Powershell opens, enter the following command. Press Enter. Press Windows +I to launch Settings. Select Apps from the tabs on the left and click on Apps and Features on the right. Locate the Windows Security app. Click on the ellipsis next to it and select Advanced Options from the flyout menu. Click Repair under Reset. Wait for the repair process to complete. Press Windows +R to launch the Run command. Enter services.msc in the text field and click on OK to launch the Services app. Locate the Security Center service, right-click on it, and select Restart from the context menu. Next, restart the computer and check if the issue is fixed. Press Windows +R to launch the Run command. Enter Regedit in the text field and click on OK to launch the Registry editor. Paste the following path in the address bar at the top and hit Enter. If you find any of the three entries, right-click on these files and select Delete. In case the entries are not present, head to the next fix. In same registry windows, paste the following path in the address bar at the top and hit Enter. Locate the Disable Anti-Spyware entry and set its value to 0. If the entry isn't there, right-click on the space, hover the cursor over New, and select the DWORD 32-bit value from the menu. Name the entry as Disable Anti-Spyware. Double-click on the entry and enter 0 under Value Data. After making changes to the registry, check if the problem with Windows Defender is solved, and you can access and make changes to it.